Want to know how to add galleries to your website in WordPress? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, simply open up your website, and once you're there, make sure you are under the WP admin. Now, once you're under WP admin, here select post or page, any one of these two. Now, just simply open it up. So, open any existing title right here, and once you have done that, here you can just simply see this editor, and on the top left side you should see this plus icon. Now once you've selected this plus icon right here, you should be under blocks. Now you can just simply scroll down until you find gallery, or you can just head towards patterns. That is much easier and more fast results. Here just scroll down until you see gallery, so just simply extend your galleries, and here you should see various items you can choose off from. And that's it, super simple and easy. You can just simply drag and drop it to the canvas and then edit it as you want. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Don't forget to save it as well, and see you in the next one.